Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WFT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past. That's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's, once again, bloodshed, definitely some updates here need to be made. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a little house cleaning and use this green line here for one of the nearest areas of support. And that area of support going into the remainder of the week right down here at 64 cents. Nothing complicated at all behind that other than the fact that that's just simply where the bleeding finally stopped today. I mean, it was just pretty much all bears as the price went down, down, down. So when, the boxes are expanding in the downwards direction, not a good thing. But all it did was pretty much bleed. And then the final part of the day actually did finally start to go sideways. And again, where did it start to go sideways? Well, right there at that 64, 65 cent mark. So that's going to be the important area of support. Once again, nothing complicated here, but if the price breaks below there, then that just tells you, well, that's not the bottom, because if it was the bottom, the price wouldn't be going any further, because that'd be a total contradiction. So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. So is this some sort of bottom? Well, I don't know. Let's just see if the price can actually maintain and go sideways here a little bit. Now, the one interesting dynamic here that caught my eye immediately upon pulling up the chart was, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because check out the last 30 minutes of the day, volume-wise, and then you look here, and could have been a better candle, but still had some green in that candle. So maybe some sort of bounce is kind of prepping itself, getting ready to go. Now, I wish I could say trading was this easy, and because there is big volume in a partial green candle, that means for sure a bounce is occurring. But no, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all, but myself nor anyone else can guarantee a bounce. That's just not how the market works. But at least it's logical at this point to question if maybe some sort of bottom is going to occur. Case in point, when the price was dropping, at no point to say, I wonder if it's getting ready to bounce. Why would you think that then when all it was doing was going down? But at least now it's gone sideways, gotten some volume, shown a green candle. So in the event it does start to bounce, the key overall level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. So watch that from a resistance standpoint. But top priority right now is just stabilizing, and then if the price can continue to stabilize, potentially it bounces around the corner. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.